Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a look of somebody who needs you. When you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look,
Good morning, Clear Falls. I'm Trent.
And I'm George.
And welcome to Night Vision. Be sure to watch us every Thursday and follow us on our socials.
And here's a look at your need-to-know info.
Seniors, don't forget to order your senior class shirts. They're $20, pre-order and prepaid only. You can buy your shirts from the bookkeeper. Be sure to buy your shirts now. Today is the last day to buy one.
GSA will be meeting Wednesday, November 17th during Night Quest, A lunch in Mr. Heights room 4214. Come join us and make connections in a safe space. Everyone is welcome. Hope to see you there.
Seniors, this message is for you. Now is the time to get your senior quotes submitted to the Quest yearbook staff. See your United teacher to scan the QR code or stop by the board outside room 4417 and house 4 to scan. You can also find the QR code poster in each of the house stairwells, each of the house secretary desks, or the village vault. Get it done so you can have your senior quote under your senior picture in the yearbook.
Ready for a laugh? Come out this Saturday and enjoy a night of comedy at our improv show. Show takes place in the Pack at 7 p.m. and tickets are just $5. We can't wait to see you there.
I am Addison Folsom. I teach Algebra 2 and Pre-Cal. In the past, I've also taught Algebra 1 as well. I've been teaching here at Falls since 2013. I went to school at A&M and switched to a degree in math about halfway through because we all know how much fun math is, and I just wanted to do it all the time. As a result of that, I started really enjoying the math itself, but I also realized that I really enjoyed taking complex subject, a complex topic, and finding interesting ways of breaking it down into smaller and simpler pieces. That became a fun thing for me to try to do, and so it felt natural to try to get into teaching. I had several job offers, but this place just felt the most natural. I started the Clear Falls bowling team, the Knights bowling team, my second year teaching here. I've had either my girls or guys team qualify for state, all but 1 year. Yeah, so if you go to tinyurl.com/knightsbowling, you can find our schedule, you can find our district standings once we can start matches, you can find a calendar of events, you can also find a form to fill out to join the email list where I'll email information about when matches are and so forth as well. So you can find all that information on there, or you can just come see me in room 5518 and we can have a conversation about it as well.
The worst thing a student has ever told me is, "You are my least favorite teacher because you woke me up from my nap."
I was in the hallway the other day doing my duty and a student came up to me and said, "Hey, I just want to ask, are you a teacher or a student?" So then I came back to my classes and I polled everyone to have them guess how old I was, and one of them guessed 56 years old, which I think is really quite mean, but maybe they genuinely thought I was that old.
So the student was lying to mom about the grades and how I ran my class, and told their parent that I just didn't put in grades that they were doing and all this stuff. They said that if the assistant principals or other teachers knew how I ran my class, that I would be fired and lose my teaching certificate.
I was grading papers, and I look on the back of this one student's sheet, and it said, I think your social studies jokes are funny. It's just I don't laugh because nobody else does.
I couldn't remember how to spell giraffe. I was like, I know they were double letters. Is it 2 R's? Is it 2 F's? Is it 2 E's? And I was really hesitating to write this out on the board. And one of my students in class was like, you don't know how to spell giraffe? Aren't you a teacher? And I was like,
a student just told me I didn't care about them, which is the whole reason why I'm in this job. It's because I love you guys.
That's it.
Hey guys, I'm Ella.
And I'm Dougal.
And welcome to the cooking competition, Thanksgiving edition. Today we have pumpkin pie. So we have 2 pies. You're going to score it a total out of 10. Half of those points are for presentation and half are for taste.
I'm gonna need another bite just to, get a good answer. I'm gonna give it a 6.5. Now, the presentation, you got the whipped cream already, that's cheating. And the taste was not bad, but just not as flavorful as traditional pumpkin pie. $8.59. I would like to claim this as my own, but it's not. So I would say 6.5, 8.5.
So A?
Yes.
Kind of scared. Should I be scared? Okay. This one's got fancy on top. That one tastes weird. Tastes different. Taste-wise, I'm gonna go with this one. Presentation-wise, this one's cute. I'm gonna go like an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna go with like a 5 out of 10.
it doesn't have any whipped cream. Bam. I would give this a 4.75 for presentation because it has a little dollop of cream on top of it. And I will give it like a 4 for the actual flavor. And then this one, I'm gonna give it a 2 for presentation. And I'm gonna give it maybe a 1.7 for the taste.
Well, I am truly enthralled by this book.
That was some nice spinning for a nerd.
Who are you calling a nerd?
We'll settle this on the track then.
I guess we will.
You're gonna lose.
Was this the way to win? Taking advantage of a missed opportunity? Someone running into a trash can at full speed like an utter fool? No.
Oh yes, I can read you a story. Back in my day, we were read stories to help us go to sleep. Are you ready for the story? The story is Run, Turkey, Run by Mayor Robbins. Turkey overheard Farmer Bob and his wife. Turkey, turkey, said Farmer Bob. We'll eat turkey this Thanksgiving, said Farmer Bob. Oh no, Turkey was doomed. He'd be plucked and roasted. Farmer Bob removed some hay. There he is. Turkey let it rip. And he ran. Turkey was cornered, dazed, all was lost. He let out one last toot. Oh, that smell, groaned Farmer Bob. Wait, what's that shiny thing on the floor? It's gold, cried Farmer Bob's wife. Turkey pooped out gold. We're rich. And so, Turkey's poop started the California gold rush. Farmer Bob pardoned Turkey. His wife prepared a delicious Thanksgiving dinner. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Turkey, said Farmer Bob. You saved the day, said Farmer Bob's wife. It was Turkey's best Thanksgiving dinner ever. The end.
That's it for this week's episode of Night Vision. Be sure to join us next week.
And remember,
it's a great day to be a knight.